It was a bright sunny afternoon, and Jane, her little sister Sophie, and their best friend Michella were playing in the backyard. Jane's mom had promised to bake cookies, but there was a twist. Each cookie would carry a special lesson. Cookies with lessons? Sophie asked, tilting her head curiously. Yes. Jane grinned. Mom says these cookies are magic because they teach us something important. Soon, the sweet smell of freshly baked cookies filled the air. The girls rushed into the kitchen, where Jane's mom placed a tray of cookies on the table. All right, girls, she said with a twinkle in her eye. Each cookie has a story. Pick one, and let's see what it teaches. Sophie eagerly grabbed a cookie shaped like a clock. She took a bite, and suddenly, the room sparkled. They found themselves in a grassy meadow where a rabbit named Timmy was hopping in circles. I'm always late. Timmy sighed. I waste time playing and forget my chores. The girls helped Timmy create a schedule, balancing work and fun. When they returned, Jane's mom smiled. That cookie teaches time management. Plan your time wisely to avoid trouble. Next, Michella picked a cookie shaped like a heart. After a bite, they were transported to a forest where a bear named Bella looked glum. I don't think anyone likes me, Bella said, looking downcast. Why do you feel that way? Sophie asked gently. Bella explained how she often hid from others because she was shy. The girls encouraged Bella to join a friendly group of animals, and soon she was laughing and playing. That cookie teaches self-love, Jane's mom said when they returned. When you appreciate yourself, it's easier for others to love you too. Finally, Jane chose a star-shaped cookie. After a bite, they found themselves under a glittering night sky where a fox named Felix was struggling to climb a steep hill. I'll never make it to the top, Felix groaned. Yes, you can. Michella cheered. Just keep going, one step at a time. With their support, Felix made it to the top and admired the breathtaking view. That cookie teaches perseverance, Jane's mom explained. When things get tough, don't give up. By the end of the day, the girls were full of cookies and wisdom. Mom, Jane said with a big smile, your magic cookies are amazing. From that day forward, cookie time became the best part of their week, a time to learn, laugh, and grow together. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.